Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this smartphone. First of all, click on the square button over here and tap at the top left corner on floating windows feature. Now select one of your apps like Chrome, and as you can see, now I can use it in this little window over here. You can move it around by holding this bottom line and placing it wherever you wish to. You can also use it to overlay other apps by tapping on the other app and operating in both of them. If you wish to close this window, you can do that by holding this lower line and dragging it to the bottom. Then choose home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!